comrades, welcome back to Ushanka Show, and today we have another unboxing video. I got this parcel, came today from Netherlands. Total surprise. Have no idea what's inside, was no warning. So we'll see what's inside. We call it Galandia or Holland, but it's officially Netherlands. This box got a little damage. So let's see what we got. So I didn't open it yet, so I have no clue. Okay, so the first item looks like in this newspaper. And more newspaper. And more newspaper. Hey, glad it didn't get broken. Got the coffee mug. Kind of makes me a little bit sad because Ukraine recently lost playing against Netherlands. Really cool coffee mug from Netherlands. Real nice. Alright, what else? I got something else. Oh boy. "33 cows." So that's a condensed milk. One of the sweet treats in the Soviet Union. Made by Siberia Group, so that's a Russian condensed milk. I like it drinking with my tea, just when I make hot water, then you just add condensed milk. And it tastes super good. That's a nice surprise right there. Thank you so much. And I also received along a nice postcard from Netherlands. Greetings from Amsterdam. Привет из Amsterdama from Vika and Paul. And a nice letter for Comrade Sergey. So they have a sorrel borscht. They made it and I have a sorrel growing there in Amsterdam. So that's really cool. Thank you guys so much. Vika and Paul, that was a super nice surprise. Good thing I didn't throw away this carton box. I thought it was just for the rigidity, but it actually was an envelope. And inside, it's 10 lei from Romania. So it's a socialist Romania, and it's a legit certified by PMG paper money guarantee. That's the company that will grade the paper money and different grades, circulated, uncirculated. And of course the value of the money, it goes higher if it's uncirculated condition. That's a very nice surprise. I assume Victoria is originally from Romania, maybe? That's a really nice surprise. I don't have that in my collection. So yeah, so this is my cool goodies I got for my coming up birthday in the middle of July. It's Ushanka coffee mug in Romanian paper money. So much fun to do this unboxing for Ushanka Show. Thank you so much. And while we're talking about unboxing, I also got this package from Daniel from Canada. He sent me a nice collection of different coins. So my coin collection is growing too, and is unexpected surprise. That's the toilet paper from Ukraine. Reminds me when we went to Ukraine with my son, he decided to go full Ukrainian and use Ukrainian toilet paper. And he didn't last long. He said his butt was hurting. It was too scratchy. But it says ecology clean product. and this company is buying recycled paper. So they recycle it into toilet paper. So that was a really cool surprise. I might need to do some kind of review. Of course, I don't use butt cheeks, but we'll compare toilet paper here in America with Ukrainian toilet paper. So yeah, that's my recent unboxing, recent presents and surprises. Thank you so much, guys. You made me very happy.
And if you love my channel and would like to show your support, please click on the link below this video and become the patron of the Ushanka Show. For as little as $1, you can help us grow and create the new, interesting videos about the life in Soviet Union.